Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to convert a live photo to a normal photo on iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to know how to convert a live photo to a normal photo on iPhone. It is because when you were clicking and the live mode was on and you didn't notice it and you clicked few pictures. After that when you want to post it or maybe you just want to view it, you saw it was a live, it was a moving picture and you didn't want it, you want the normal photo and you don't know how to get back to a normal photo. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can get back to normal photo. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So for that what you have to do is first you have to go to your mobile phone gallery, and from mobile phone gallery you have to go to that image which is a live photo and you want to convert it. Now just simply tap on the icon on photos. This is the icon of the photos available in every iPhone. Just simply click on it, and after that just open a picture which is a live photo and you want to convert that photo into a normal photo. So here I open this picture and on the top you could see it is written live, and once I play on it you could see it just moves for a second. That means this picture is a live picture, is a moving picture. Sometimes we do that, we accidentally click the live photo because we didn't know the live mode is open and we click pictures. After that we see it and we regret it. So today in this video you can easily convert it if you follow the instructions. So for that just simply click on live, and here you will see few different options. So from all these options you have to select the last option which is off. Turning off means that you will turn off the live mode. So here you can see the picture is not moving. When I click on it, it is a still picture, but this picture is moving. So now we will see how we can also convert it like that. So for that you have to click on live and select the last option, and the live mode will be turned on. It is very easy and very simple. You can convert any picture that is a live picture to a normal picture. If you wanted to paste these pictures to your social media, now you can paste it. And again, if you want to make it live, again click on live and select the first option live, and it will again convert it into normal photo to a live photo. So you can do both of the things. You can either make it from a live photo to a normal photo or from a normal photo to a live photo according to what you want. And if you want to again change any of these options, you can change it whenever you want to. There is no limitation to it, like you can only change the mode once, twice. You can change them as many times as you want. This was the easiest way I know through which you can convert the live photo to normal photo on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.